My journey to veganism began with a simple question. Where does my food come from? It was a question I had never truly considered. Growing up, I ate what was put in front of me, never questioning the origins of the meat on my plate. Then, a documentary about factory farming landed on my screen. The images were shocking, the conditions deplorable. I was forced to confront the reality of the food industry. The suffering I witnessed ignited a fire within me. I could no longer turn a blind eye to the plight of animals raised for human consumption. The realization that my choices had consequences, not just for my health, but for the lives of sentient beings, was profound. I knew I had to make a change. That day, I decided to go vegan. It wasn't about dietary restrictions. It was about aligning my values with my actions. It was about choosing compassion over convenience, about standing up for those who couldn't stand up for themselves. This decision marked the beginning of a transformative journey, one that extended far beyond my plate. The transition wasn't always easy, but it was always worthwhile. Every plant-based meal became a testament to my commitment to a kinder, more sustainable world. With each passing day, I felt a renewed sense of purpose, a deep satisfaction that came from living in accordance with my values. One of the most common misconceptions about veganism is that it's restrictive. People often envision a life devoid of flavor, limited to lettuce and tofu. Nothing could be further from the truth. The world of plant-based cuisine is incredibly diverse and delicious. It's an adventure waiting to be explored. From vibrant fruits and vegetables bursting with flavor, to hearty legumes and grains packed with nutrients, the options are endless. Explore the world of spices and herbs. Discover new cuisines. Experiment with different cooking techniques. Start by incorporating small changes into your diet. Swap dairy milk for almond or soy milk in your coffee. Try a lentil burger instead of a beef burger. Experiment with tofu. Scramble for breakfast. You'll be amazed at the variety and deliciousness of plant-based options. Don't feel pressured to overhaul your diet overnight. Embrace the journey. Take it one step at a time. Each plant-based meal is a step towards a healthier, more compassionate lifestyle. Embarking on a vegan journey can feel daunting, especially at first, but you don't have to do it alone. One of the most rewarding aspects of this lifestyle is the incredible community that comes with it. Connecting with like-minded individuals can provide invaluable support, encouragement, and inspiration. Online platforms have become vibrant hubs for the vegan community. Join vegan groups on social media. Participate in online forums. Share your experiences, ask questions, and find inspiration from others on the same path. Seek out local vegan groups or meetups in your area. Attend vegan festivals and events. These gatherings offer opportunities to connect with fellow vegans, share meals, and learn from each other's experiences. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Surround yourself with a supportive community that understands your choices and celebrates your progress. The shared journey makes the experience all the more enriching. Transitioning to a vegan lifestyle often involves exploring new foods and rethinking old favorites. Stocking your pantry with essential vegan staples can make the transition smoother and more enjoyable. Start with the basics. Grains like rice, quinoa, and oats. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. And a variety of nuts and seeds. These pantry staples are versatile, affordable, and packed with nutrients. Explore the world of plant-based milks. Almond milk, soy milk, oat milk, and coconut milk are excellent alternatives to dairy milk and can be used in everything from smoothies to sauces. Tofu and tempeh are excellent sources of plant-based protein and can be used in countless dishes, from stir-fries to scrambles. Don't be afraid to experiment with new ingredients and recipes. The more you explore, the more confident you'll become in the kitchen. Remember, vegan cooking is all about creativity and enjoying the process. Navigating social situations as a new vegan can sometimes feel challenging. Here are some tips to make it easier and more enjoyable. 1. Communicate your dietary needs. Let your friends and family know about your vegan diet in advance. 2. Offer to bring a dish. Bringing a vegan dish to share can take the pressure off the host and ensure you have something delicious to eat. 3. Be prepared with snacks. Keep some vegan snacks on hand in case you get hungry between meals. 4. Focus on the positive. Highlight the variety and flavors of plant-based foods. Remember, being vegan is a personal choice, and it's okay to politely decline food or drinks that don't align with your dietary preferences. Enjoy the social experience and embrace the opportunity to connect with others and share your journey. The ripple effect of veganism. Choosing a vegan lifestyle is a powerful act of advocacy in itself. It's a statement about your values and your commitment to a more compassionate and sustainable world. But your advocacy can extend beyond your plate. Support organizations working to protect animals and promote plant-based living. Donate to animal sanctuaries, volunteer your time, or participate in fundraising events. Every contribution, big or small, makes a difference. Engage in conversations about veganism with friends, family, and colleagues. Share your reasons for choosing this lifestyle. Answer questions with patience and understanding. You never know who you might inspire to make more compassionate choices. Use your voice to speak up for those who cannot speak for themselves. Sign petitions, contact your elected officials, and advocate for policies that promote animal welfare, environmental sustainability, and a more just food system. Your voice matters. By raising your voice and taking action, you can contribute to creating a world where all beings are treated with compassion and respect. The world of veganism is brimming with information and inspiration. From cookbooks and documentaries to blogs and podcasts, countless resources are available to guide and support you on your journey. Explore plant-based cookbooks. Many talented vegan chefs and food bloggers share their culinary expertise through beautifully photographed cookbooks and online recipes. Experiment with new flavors, techniques, and cuisines. Watch documentaries and films that shed light on the ethical, environmental, and health aspects of veganism. These films can be eye-opening, informative, and inspiring. Share them with friends and family to spark conversations and raise awareness. Listen to podcasts hosted by vegan experts, activists, and enthusiasts. Podcasts offer a convenient and accessible way to learn about veganism, hear inspiring stories, and stay updated on the latest news and trends. Embrace the wealth of information available. The more you learn about veganism, the more confident and empowered you'll feel in your choices. Still, the best place to learn about veganism is your own channel, Vegan Dose. Support us to make great videos, and don't forget to like this video. If you have any questions, then you can ask in comment section. I will be happy to guide you as much as I can. Till then, live, love, and take care of your environment.